Hi, hello, this is Jason Yu from Remax Partners. I believe if you're a potential buyer or potential seller, most of my clients, they're using a lot of different kind of software to search their home and get some comparable. But right now, it's 2024, the first 6 months passed by. We're in a very interesting market. Okay, what that means is when you search the comparable in the area, usually the software will give you some estimation for different kind of a product. And because of the estimate, there's a huge gap between the estimation and the sold price. So if you're a potential buyer or seller, you may be very confused about the market. This is the reason we're creating a buyer workshop and seller workshop for you as a potential client. So for example, 2 weeks ago, there was two properties sold. Both listing, okay, the estimate from the software was around 1.29 range, both listing. And two listing eventually sold. And two listing asking for same price, asking for 1.29. One sold it for 1.1, one sold it for close to 1.5. And the gap is around 400,000. When we're in this type of market, the gap is so big. If you're a potential buyer or seller, how you can make a decisions? Okay, so this is exactly what we're doing for the coming workshop. If you're interested to join the workshop, I'll providing 10 very important points if you're a potential buyer. If you're a potential seller, I also prepare very important 10 mistakes people to avoid. If you're interested to join the seminar, very simple. Just register the link below. You can attend the free workshop. Or you can call me or you can send me a text message to register. My phone number is 647-6944-333. 647-6944-333. So looking forward to see you in the coming workshop. Talk to you soon. Bye.